beautiful people, so welcome back to my channel for once again. So today I'm going to do this beautiful smoky brown gold eye look. This eye look is one of my favorite eye look just because this eye look I can wear with lots of outfit, lots of makeup look. This goes for almost like 80% of my makeup look, so I love this kind of brown gold smoky eye. So if you want to know how to create this eye look step by step, then keep on watching. Okay, so for today's look I'm going to use this palette from Anastasia. This is their soft glam palette. By now you guys all know this palette because this one is out there from so long. So the reason I'm using this palette because this one have every color that I want to use for today's eye look. It have that black, brown, then the gold shimmer shade. So this one will be perfect for my today brown gold smoky eye look. But I have another option for you guys, which is this one. This is the Warrior palette from Juvia's Palace. This one also have all the shade that I need for today's eye look. They have that brown, golds, like pretty much everything. Only one thing is missing, which is pure black, which I need for today's look. That's why I'm not using this palette. I'm using this palette. Alright, so first I'm going to actually prime the eyelid with a normal concealer. And you also must want to prime because your eyeshadow will not look good if you don't prime. Just use any concealer of your choice to prime. And then just use a beauty sponge to set the primer. Alright, so my eyelid is completely set with the concealer. Now from this soft glam palette, I'm going to take this color. This one called Orange Soda. So this one, I'm going to take this color, tap all the excess, and I'm gonna blend that into my crease. So this is going to be my first transition shade. Same goes for this eye too. I'm gonna use it in my crease and then just blend. Alright, so this one is already blended, and now the color I'm going to take is this one called Burnt Orange. I'm also going to apply it in my crease, and this one going to be my second transition shade. I'm not gonna go very high from my crease until my brow bone. No, I'm gonna stay down and apply. Also applying the color in my outer lid, and I'm also smudging that in my lower lash line and connecting with the upper outer lid. Same goes for this eye too, applying the shade in my crease, also my outer corner. Alright, so it's nicely blended. Now I'm going to take this color, this brown shade color, and I'm actually using the same brush, and I'm also going to apply the color only in my crease, not so above, not so down, only in the crease. So just in this place. And I'm taking the color until the middle of my crease, until here. And then I'm going to take a really small precise brush, and I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line, very close to my lower lash line, because I still want to see the previous shade. So, and then I'm going to connect the color with my outer lid, and I'm not gonna take it above more than that. I'm gonna stop somewhere here, just here. And then I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm going to blend above of that previous shade so that I can blend everything together and there is no harsh line. But you want to be really careful. You don't want to take that darker shade so much up above the crease. You just want to blend there. So take your time and blend slowly and slowly. So. Alright guys, so it's completely blended, and now I'm going to take a very precise small brush and I'm going to take the black shade here, just a little. You don't want to load your brush with a lots of product. You want to go one and then you can go back again to the color and apply it again. So you want to do it slowly. No rushing, because black is a serious color. If you just do a little bit it's gonna mess up everything. And I'm going to apply the black shade in the outer third, just here. Not at all I'm going above of my crease. I'm just staying down in the outer third, just here. So just like that, you can see. And now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to blend just right above of that black shade, very slowly, very carefully, because you don't want to miss it. So I'm just gonna slowly blend just above of that black shade. As you can see, I already finished blending this eye, but this one no, so you can see the difference. This one is really smooth, but this one is a little bit harsh, so I'm gonna blend this one too. So blending complete for my both eye. You can see both eye is looking really smooth and nice. Now for the third step. Anyway, next step. For next shade, I'm going to use this one. This one is a very nice gold shimmer shade. You can see it's very pretty color. This one called bronze. So I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Not all over my lid, from my inner corner till the middle of my lid. So taking the shade in my brush and tap the excess because there will be fallout otherwise, and now I'm just going to apply it. If you want this shade to be more intense, then you can spray setting spray before you use in the brush, and then you can use the damp brush to apply this shimmer shade. Then it's gonna be really more intense and vibrant. And after it, I'm going to take this shade here. This is a really dark brown shade. Tap all the excess and I'm going to blend right next to that black shade so that there is no harsh line between the shimmer shade and black shade. So I'm just gonna blend all together and make it smooth. So I'm just gonna blend it here. Alright, so this one is completely blended. Now I'm actually going to take a very thin small brush and I'm going to apply that dark brown shade, which is this one, to my lower lash line. Very close to my lower lash line, because I still want to see those previous shades that I applied. Alright, now for my inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this shade called Fairy, and I'm going to apply it in my inner corner and also in my brow bone highlight. So here. Alright, so eye look is completely complete. Now we're left with only mascara, some eyeliner and eyelash. So today I'm actually using this mascara from Essence. This one is really good. I'm not gonna apply so much mascara. Actually, I'm gonna apply just a pretty good amount, because when you apply too much mascara, then it gets a little bit hard to put the eyelash extension. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara. Alright, so mascara also done. Now I'm going to apply an eyeliner, and I'm going to make actually wing line, because wing line will really look so good with this kind of eye shape and eyeshadow. So I'm using eyeliner. Now I'm actually also going to apply a black liner in my waterline. Alright guys, so that's the complete eye look. So I'm just gonna clean under my eye a little bit. Actually in this eye I don't need to do so, but here I need to do that. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit. And I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer under my eye. Just right here and here. So this is gonna make this under eye look really clean and smooth and just perfect. much. Alright guys, so now quickly I'm gonna finish rest of my face makeup off camera just because we just want to focus on this eye look today, not anywhere else. So I'm gonna right back. Alright guys, so I am back and I finished rest of my face makeup. So what do you guys think about this eye look? I think I should actually call it glam brown gold smoky eye, because this look will be so good for a night outing, for any kind of glam party. I think it's gonna be perfect. I'm gonna give you guys just a close-up look so you can see much better after the finish. So here is the close-up look, guys. I think it's perfect for any kind of night out, for any kind of glam look. I just love it. Alright guys, so if you like this smoky eye look, then please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video. And you can follow me in my Instagram, Snapchat, my Twitter, and also in my Facebook. The link in the description box below. And guys, stay safe, stay good. I'll see you guys in my next upcoming video. Bye bye.